Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Forest by The Cure. We'll begin by mastering the iconic main guitar riff. This riff sets the entire mood, so pay close attention to the arpeggiated picking pattern. Use your fingers to articulate each note clearly, ensuring a smooth, flowing sound. Practice slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed to match the original recording's tempo. This foundational riff is crucial for capturing the song's unique atmosphere. Next, let's explore the chord progressions for the verse and chorus. The verse typically uses a distinct set of chords, often moving between minor and major shapes to create tension and release. When the chorus arrives, you'll notice a slight shift in the progression, adding a sense of uplift or resolution. Focus on the picking technique for the verses and how it might subtly change for the chorus, maintaining the song's consistent, ethereal quality throughout both sections. Now, we'll delve into the bridge and the atmospheric outro. The bridge introduces a new melodic idea and often features different chord voicings, providing a brief but impactful contrast. For the outro, pay attention to the use of delay and reverb effects, which are essential for creating that signature Cure sound. Practice transitioning seamlessly from the final chorus into the bridge and then into the extended, fading outro, ensuring a cohesive and emotionally resonant performance. Finally, let's put it all together by understanding the song's full structure and dynamics. The Forest often repeats sections with subtle variations, building intensity. Pay attention to where the volume swells and recedes, as these dynamic shifts are key to the song's emotional depth. Practice playing through the entire piece, from the opening riff to the fading outro, ensuring each section flows naturally into the next for a truly complete and captivating rendition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.